Well, guys, this is part two. I had to stop. I ran out of power. I'm just gonna give a quick shot of my. So we dug this all out, buried my dog's house. It's nice insulation for the dog. The dog will appreciate it. There's also a windbreak along the fence. I throw that up against his side real quick. Try and empty out this guy. This guy has got. I put this in a bad spot, but we'll fix it. He'll be all right. And she's coming along. I still got to make it out there to my truck. There's my hill. My hill's getting bigger. I got to dig all that out, and I still got my sidewalk. Talk to you guys in a bit. How you guys doing? Still a lot of digging. Hey, Victor, sit. Up. Good boy. Sit. Shake paw. This is my, he's a half-breed Parisian. I don't know if it's Parisian. Great Pyrenees. That's what he is. He's a half. And this black guy, they found him in a burlap bag in the garbage with 5 other girls. So I always see his sisters driving around. Look at him. He got a real bad licking back in the day from that blondie. So we're digging. I'm still digging. See this? See this where I throw it up against the house? That's a little bit of insulation, eh? There's my front. My front and all the way down. It's coming. I still got quite a bit left. I love this shite. I got to work down here. I got to clean this all out. See, there's my. You know what this is? This is legendary. You want me to chop something in half? I'll chop something in half. These are some stuff I scored from the last project I was on. I'm breaking those down. Well, I was breaking them down. But we're still digging, boys. We got a long ways to go. We got all day to get there. This is where it's at. This is the spot. You see these guys? That's what I do. That's how I get down. This guy broke his head. Check that out, hey? Ain't that something? Bad boys. Bad boys for life.